So, you want to know what's YouTube automation? If you watch this short video until the end, you'll get all the information you need to understand this revolutionary business model. Yes, it's a real business you can start right now even if you don't have any money to invest. To be brief, YouTube automation is what we also call faceless channels. So, every time you come across a video where the YouTuber behind the channel doesn't appear on camera, it's with no doubt the YouTube automation strategy. And while it has so many advantages to appearing on camera, it's absolutely not an obligation. And let me tell you something, people are making a lot of money with it. In this video, we are gonna give you 3 things you need to know about YouTube automation. Number 1, you can start with $0. Of course, you need a laptop and an internet connection. Besides, you can build your digital business with zero money. How? First of all, creating a YouTube channel is free. And if you don't know how to do it, we invite you to watch our step-by-step tutorial by clicking on the link below in the description. Once you conceive your channel with a unique logo and a proper name, you'll have to upload videos. For that, some would say you're gonna need a scriptwriter, a voice actor, and a video editor. But it's not always the case. In fact, a lot of faceless channels don't use a script. Look at this channel. It's called Meditation Relax Music. No script, no voice. Just videos of the same footage of a waterfall running for 3 hours or more with relaxing music in the background. Now, we're not pushing you to reproduce the exact same idea. We just wanted you to see that YouTube automation is not only about faceless channels, but also about voiceless channels. As you can see, it doesn't require any money to make this kind of videos. With free footage banks like Pixabay and Pixels, you can download for free any visual you like and use it in your channel. Same thing for the background music. Tap free copyright music on the search bar and you will end up with a long list you can use without breaking the copyright rule. If you don't know about copyright regulation yet, the only way to avoid YouTube deleting your channel is to make sure all the components of your videos are copyright free. Let's see how much this channel makes. $164,000 a year? Number 2. There are many kinds of YouTube automation channel. In the Meditation Relax Music channel, the creator doesn't write a script or use a voiceover. But you can also make unboxing videos where you don't show your face but your hands. For this type of YouTube automation channel, you can either be the voiceover or hire someone to do it from platforms like Fiverr. Go click on the link in the description if you want to find great freelancers. Furthermore, some people are getting very successful by publishing tutorials. Look at Tasty. This channel gathers more than 21 million subscribers, and according to Social Blade, it's making $84,700 every single month. The owner of the Tasty doesn't show his face or use his voice. He only creates recipe tutorials, recipes that anyone can make with little to no cooking skills. Without mentioning some other channels teaching people affiliate marketing, editing, sewing, cleaning, and so on. You can literally pick any topic you master and start creating useful tutorials around it. Now let's see the last thing you need to know about YouTube automation. Number 3. Copy-paste technique doesn't work. If you saw other videos about YouTube automation, faceless channels or cash cow, it depends on what they call it. You probably heard YouTubers talking about using other people's content and downloading it on their own channel. Although we don't want to offend anyone, this strategy isn't recommended. Years ago, when the YouTube platform wasn't as full of content as it is nowadays, the rules were quite lenient. Some YouTubers managed to take advantage of it by posting what's called repetitive content. They search for a niche, sort by the results, until they are left with videos under the Creative Commons license. Quick reminder here. Videos with the Creative Commons mention are content people are fairly allowed to use. However, since we know that you share our device of making YouTube a real business, you'll have to come up with unique videos starting from the script and voiceover if they're needed to the editing part. So don't cheat your way to success. Try to pick a niche you love and show your ideas to the world. It's time for your bonus. And if you're new to our channel, we give a piece of valuable information at the end of every video, a sort of reward to thank our viewers who watch our videos until the end. The only way to be successful with YouTube automation is to create content that gives real value to the viewer, whether it's the education or the advertisement field. Instead of applying some tricks to increase your viewers' number with minimum effort, focus on the quality of your videos from the script and voiceover until the editing. Not only your channel will shine sooner or later, but you also will get the fulfillment that comes with building a real business. This is what our channel is about, making money on YouTube by creating videos people who would love to watch. We do in-depth research based on real channels getting bigger every month and generating insane amounts of money. In other words, if you put enough effort and time at the beginning of the path, you'll end up working for an hour or two a day. Don't forget to subscribe. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. It will help us reach more people. If you have a question, leave it in the comments below. See you in the next video.